I appreciate all y'all support. I'm getting so many subscribers. So many people hit me up in my DMs like, hey, I need to make that money. I need my credit repaired. I need an SBA loan, man. We're going viral, bro. Everybody hit me up. Appreciate the support. In the description, I have my Instagram and my email right there. Follow me on Instagram and email me if you want to do any type of transaction, any type of services to get on top. With that said, like, subscribe to my channel. Let's get straight to it. Now, me, I don't believe in a 9 to 5 unless you're using it as a stepping stone, because all you're doing is making somebody else rich. But I done my research on over 20 jobs that might be worth working, because you can actually get rich off these jobs. Not only is you making the CEO rich, you're making yourself rich as well. So these jobs may require certificates, certifications. They may require diplomas. They may require degrees, things like that. Uh, Things that's worth having, usually not easy to attain. But who don't want to be rich? A lot of people don't want to be entrepreneurs. See, on this channel, we all want to get rich quick. But I'm going to tell y'all a way that you can get rich and don't do it the quick way. Do it the safe way. And you actually learn something. It's permanent and it stay forever. And this money come consistently. And everybody I name has got to be making over $100 an hour. And because the research I done yesterday, $48.08 is 100,000 a year per hour. So if you're making $50, you're making 108,000 a year. So if you're making like what, $100, I would say you're making over 200 and something grand a year. So that's pretty decent. But these people making way over that. These are jobs that's worth having. So let's get straight up into it. And if y'all want me to break down what each job do, then y'all already know what to do. Like the video, make it go viral. And also, all you have to do is just share it. Just share it. Share the information. Like the video. Follow me on Instagram. Show me some love. But get this video 2,000 likes and 20,000 views, and I break down each one of these jobs and how much they make and how you need to do it and how you need to go about doing it and the requirements it take to do it. But I'm gonna go ahead and breeze through it today just to give y'all an understanding. If y'all see something that you're interested in, then y'all just go for it. Don't go for something because it's making money. Go for something that you're interested in. And if you're interested in none of it, then find the one that you're most interested in and then go for it. So, investment banker. All right. I was about to break it down what it is, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that because y'all don't know how bad I want to break down what these is. Orthodontist. All right. A data engineer. Not just a regular engineer, a data engineer. You can make it in healthcare. That's in a lot of different departments like doctors and things like that. Don't think you're gonna be just a registered nurse making that type of money. No. Maybe traveling nurses, some of them. Information security analyst. Now, I'm not trying to give y'all no definitions, but they just keep companies' information safe. Like I know a girl that worked for Microsoft and one worked for Apple, and they stopped hackers, and they work 24 hours around the clock, but only when something happened, they stay on call and they get stocks and mentioning another thing. Stocks is what gets you rich, but they invest in stocks and bundles. She put me up on the game. Y'all being around people that make a lot of money, you ain't got no other choice but to make a lot of money. If you're around 4 broke people, you probably the 5th one. If you're around 4 rich people, you're gonna be the 5th rich person, I promise you. But an information security analyst, that title was just, that title, A gynecologist. We all know what a gynecologist is, they check women private areas. Women always having babies. They always have issues, yeast infection. They only human. So gynecologists make a lot of money to go down there. You got to, it's a lot. You know what I'm saying? You got to make sure this guy not a pervert. It's a lot to go with that. But like I said, I like to explain stuff. Let me just breeze through this. A corporate lawyer, not just any lawyer, a corporate lawyer, a chief executive officer, a surgeon, a financial analyst, a nurse, a nurse practitioner. My bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. Listen. In the middle of texting y'all, a celebrity I've been trying to get at just DM me back and asked me what's my plan for the day. Oh, man, that threw me off, y'all. If y'all follow my dating channel, Global Drippin', y'all will see how many beautiful women that I be having over here. On this channel, I have beautiful women tell y'all stuff, but this girl is a celebrity with millions of subscribers. As I'm reading this to y'all, this bitch made me say, what was I at? Fuck. I said, what did I say? She made me lose everything. See there? Stay away from them hoes, man. Stay away from them bitches, man. What was I saying? I said, something and stuttered like a motherfucker. Anyway, let's skip that one. Shit. Damn. Shit. Whew. I'll write her back when I get done with this video. Y'all excuse me. Take this time to go follow me on Instagram and like the video and subscribe and hit the bell notification, y'all. I wish I could expose her, but y'all, I can't. I want that pussy. This is, y'all probably listening to her on y'all way to work. This is a high profile celebrity. I hit her up, I said, one day you gonna be mine. I don't give a fuck. And she just wrote back and said, for real, what you got planned for today? Man, this for my dating channel. I say that for my dating channel. Like, yeah, bro, like, oh, let me get that bitch on my channel. This the type of bitch that's supposed to tell me, oh, to be on your camera, you got to give me 200,000. They paying this bitch probably 200 grand a show. But this ain't no dating channel. Man, I don't even want to finish this shit, man. Oh yeah, I was at nurse practitioner. My bad. I couldn't even say it right. I was practitioner. I pray of something happened. A senior software engineer, a marketing manager, petroleum engineer. If y'all ain't noticed, engineers is a lot. Different engineers is making a lot of money. My uncle, an engineer, make 120,000 a year. I think he making like 60 an hour. Software developer, a cloud architect. I don't even know what that is. I did my research. I don't even know what a cloud architect is. It's a visionary behind a company cloud, computing strategy. Oh, okay. I was thinking something different. I was thinking iPhone, and I was thinking they did something with travels and weather and the universe, shit like that. But I'm about done. Accountant, a certain kind of accountant, a chartered accountant, which just simply means that you a CA, a professional accountant, meaning like a professional hairstylist is gonna make a lot more than a woman that just comes to your house. A person with his own shop gonna charge you way more than a shade tree mechanic. You also got lawyers, airplane pilots, I already said orthodontists, physicians, doctors. We already talked about that. So y'all, if you're interested in working, I would go with the best. Why would you pick shit that really don't matter? But we got to have somebody that's gonna make our burgers at lunch. We got to have somebody that's gonna clean up the place. We got to have somebody that take out the trash. We have to have somebody that help people that's making a lot of money. We got to have people that help sick people, hurt people. So find your passion and make sure you get a lot for your passion, or start your own business. Everybody not entrepreneurs. I know y'all thinking 9 to 5, what he talking about? This channel is about getting rich. So I don't care if you get rich off a 9 to 5, a 5 to 9, you get rich off of goddamn 9 pounds. I don't care if you get rich off of 9 kilos. I don't give a fuck how you get rich. Just get rich, motherfuckers. With that said, y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Run this shit all the way the fuck up. I love each and every one of y'all, man. Let's get money. And if you interested in my biggest channel and you want to go to my biggest channel, you have to check out Global Drippin, y'all. I dropped so much heat on Global Drippin. That shit going stupid. Y'all go run that bitch up. With that said, y'all have a blessed, amazing day. Get some motherfucking money. I'll holler. Oh, my daughter just texted me. Oh, holler, gang.